I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone, make a quick backup, and free up 200-300 MB for the install. Open Settings, enable unknown sources, then install ZFont3. This lets you manage font and emoji packs directly. Next, inside Zfont, pick the iOS emoji pack and download it. This is the file you will apply. Do this now, because missing a step forces repeat work. Once done, move to applying the package and choosing the proper patch method. You will now apply the emoji pack. Open Zfont, tap the iOS pack and choose your patch method. If your phone is rooted, select Magisk or TWRP for a system-wide change. If not, pick the non-root or font-only option to avoid modifying system files. Confirm permissions and let Zfont write the files. Wait for completion messages, because interrupting can corrupt the font. After Zfont finishes, follow its prompt and reboot the device. Finish by checking common apps, messages, social, and keyboards. Clear each app cache or reinstall the app so it loads the new emoji set. If some emojis still show as boxes, revert via Zfont and try the alternate patch mode. Magisk versus non-root often changes results. Make sure you kept that original backup. Restore it if things break. If you need help, rerun the install steps slowly and confirm each permission, because missing one permission is the most frequent cause of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.